Today's challenge is fixing a tablet that somebody has bought me. It doesn't charge properly, it charges intermittently. If you wiggle the cable, it charges and then stops. On opening and inspecting the micro USB connector, as we can see here in the picture, when you move the USB cable, you can see in the top of the picture there, pins 4 and 5 at least are broken away. They can clearly be seen moving. We are going to need to sort that out. To effect the repair, I'm going to be using this tip on my Haku T12 iron, and this is the T12C1. Hopefully I should be able to use to get those pads tacked down. Let's give it a try. As always, some liquid flux to start. Now with a cleaned and tinned iron, let's just try inserting the USB plug now. Hopefully we won't see any movement. That looks okay. I will also check with my meter that there's no shorts. I can't visibly see any. Let's give it a quick clean up with some IPA and an old toothbrush. And finally we'll just double check by plugging it into the charger. So yes, we can see the charge current going in, up to about 0.5 amp there. Another fix.